Household items that solve big problems around the home, Part 1. Save money and time and learn some fun do-it-yourself home care hacks and tricks in this video. Homemade laundry detergent. Laundry detergent pods are wonderfully convenient, but making your own laundry detergent at home adds a personal touch and can be quite satisfying. Start by creating a bar of cast steel soap. One little bar goes a long way, good for many loads of laundry. Next, add some baking soda to a glass container, followed by a scoop of borax and a handful of grated soap. Continue layering these ingredients until all are used, and then give the mixture a good stir. That's all it takes to create an effective, homemade laundry detergent. Just a small scoop per load, and for an added bonus, try adding a splash of white vinegar to the rinse cycle. It's amazing for cleaning just about everything. Car seat gap solution. In cars, phones, wallets, and keys often slip into those frustrating gaps between the seats. The solution? A foam noodle. Like those used in pools, but actually they are pipe insulations available at hardware stores. They're cheap and come in various sizes. Cut to fit in place and to fill the gap between the seats. It's so discreet, hardly noticeable, and now nothing can fall through. Glass stovetop cleaning. For those with a glass stovetop, keeping it clean can be a challenge. Always let the cooktop cool completely before tackling any spills. A great cleaning duo for this is lemon and baking soda. First, wipe the surface with a wet sponge. For more stubborn, crusted-on bits, use a razor scraper held at a 45-degree angle. Just apply light pressure. Sprinkle a couple of spoonfuls of baking soda and squeeze some lemon over it. The lemon juice cuts through grease while the baking soda scrubs away grime. Use a sponge or a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. For long-neglected cooktops, a mix of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide under a damp kitchen towel left overnight will do the trick. Wipe it down the next morning and it will look as good as new. DIY car freshener. Ready for a do-it-yourself car freshener? This comes together in minutes and will leave your passengers wondering, what smells so good in here? Begin with a small mason jar, ideally one that fits in a cup holder. Add some baking soda, leaving a little room at the top. Choose any essential oil known for its odor-fighting properties. Lemon or lavender is a great choice, but feel free to experiment. Aim for about 30 drops. Use a coffee filter or breathable fabric like muslin for the cover and secure it on top. Clean up any excess, give it a little shake to mix, and voila! The baking soda remains effective for several months and you can refresh the scent as needed. Mix up the scent seasonally, cinnamon in the fall or peppermint in the winter for a festive touch. Homemade fresh farm cheese. If there's milk in the fridge that's about to expire, this is a perfect opportunity to make fresh farm cheese. Start with the best quality milk available and heat it in a heavy pot over medium heat. Aim to bring it to a gentle simmer, watching for tiny bubbles and stirring occasionally to avoid scalding. Using an instant read thermometer, bring the temperature to just about 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a half cup of vinegar to a gallon of milk to initiate the cheese-making reaction. Once the heat is off, gently stir and watch the curds form. Let it sit off the heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. If cheesecloth isn't available, a clean, thin linen towel will work. Use a strainer or colander to drain the excess liquid. Be cautious as it may still be hot. Add a bit of salt to the curds to enhance flavor and assist in forming the cheese. Allow the cheese to cool and set in the refrigerator until firm, and then share the homemade delight with family and friends. Cinnamon apple simmer pot. Looking to fill your home with the scent of fall on a budget? Try making an easy DIY cinnamon apple simmer pot. Fill a Dutch oven pot or any large pot with water and bring it to a simmer. Add slices of apple, star anise, cinnamon sticks, and fresh rosemary to create that cozy apple cinnamon aroma. Enhance the scent with a few drops of essential oil. Apple and vanilla are excellent choices. Allow the mixture to simmer on low for a couple of hours, adding more water as needed to maintain the level. The colors will deepen over time, adding to the ambiance. Aluminum foil laundry hack. Aluminum foil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's also a game changer in the laundry room. Create a 2-inch ball using a few sheets of aluminum foil. For optimal results, use 2 or 3 balls. Toss them into the dryer along with wet laundry. These foil balls will help discharge static electricity and keep laundry separated, speeding up the drying process. What's more, they are reusable and recyclable, offering an eco-friendly solution to combat static cling in clothes. Emergency dishwasher detergent substitute. What do you do if you run out of dishwasher detergent? It might be tempting, but never use regular dish soap in your dishwasher as it's not designed for this use and could create a mess. Instead, try making a homemade detergent with simple household cleaning ingredients. Start with borax and baking soda, or even better, washing soda as your base. Enhance this mixture by adding kosher salt or Epsom salt and a bit of citric acid, which is excellent for homemade cleaners. Use 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture in your dishwasher, but remember to pre-rinse your dishes to eliminate excess food residue. For a sparkling finish, distilled white vinegar can be used as a rinse agent. DIY warming compress using a sock. Here's a cozy project. Turning a sock into a warming compress. Fill a cup with dry rice, then attach the sock's open end over the cup to transfer the rice. Once full, tie a knot at the base or sew it shut for a more permanent solution. Microwave for 2 minutes. Since there's no moisture, you're only warming the rice, not cooking it. This creates radiant heat perfect for chilly days. For added luxury, infuse the rice with essential oils before filling the sock, creating a fragrant portable heating pad. Alternatively, for a moist heat version, wet some small towels, wring them out, and microwave in a heat-proof bowl for 2 minutes. Place the hot towels in a plastic bag, seal, and for extra comfort, encase in a pillowcase or wrap in a towel for your personal radiator. Homemade reusable sweeper pads. To make your own reusable sweeper pads, all you need is a standard microfiber cloth, known for its affordability and versatility in cleaning. Microfiber is ideal due to its ability to attract dirt through static cling. To enhance its effectiveness, rub the cloth beforehand to build extra static, and always use the rough side for cleaning. These microfiber cloths can replace disposable sweeper pads, making cleaning low effort yet highly effective. Once dirty, wash them in the laundry, avoiding fabric softeners or dryer sheets to maintain their cleaning efficacy. If microfiber cloths aren't available, an old pair of clean socks can be a great alternative. For enhanced cleaning power on dirtier floors, spray a little homemade cleaner mixed with dish soap for laminate floors or olive oil for conditioning. Give these methods a try and let us know how they work for you. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.